welcome to Real Times. My name is Carrie Obedzinski with Times Microwave Systems, an Amphenol company. And this is our vlog where we talk about industry trends, new products, meet the people, and talk about everything coax. Today we have with us Adrian Milne, our new general manager. Adrian, welcome to Real Times.
Hey, thank you.
I think the team's going to really thrive off of all your energy and your enthusiasm and the fact that your door is always open and it's so easy to come have a conversation with you. How do we portray that to our customers so they also can have that same feeling that we do as employees working with you and for you?
So it's all about communication. And I think that is one of the most important parts of a GM role. And really within the company, we should be open to talk to, everyone should be open to talk to whoever they need to, whenever they need to. And I think just being really open and honest about where we are and what's going on. The messages aren't always great. Sometimes you have to tell customers things that they don't want to hear. But what I've always learned is customers would much rather hear the bad news early than not hear something at all. And I think that we obviously are focusing on making things good. And in those rare situations that happens, we should be proactive and ahead. But I think our customers realize that we are human beings, we're trying very hard. And really, when you look behind the scenes and you see the passion and the energy that we have in our team, it's really infectious. We have a lot of specialists, a lot of geeks, and that's, I'd love to consider myself one as well, you know, and we're really focused on getting, you know, that technology right at the cutting edge. So getting those cutting edge products to customers fast often has challenges, but we're really up for that challenge. And I think taking the company forwards and being able to do more of that and satisfy unique solutions to our customers in ways that our competition can't is a key differentiator for us. And people make that happen, not processes and not machines. It's people that do that.
So Adrian's been with us a little while. You were previously our director of operations.
That's right, yeah.
Global operations. How did that prepare you to be our new general manager?
Well, I would say really, it's a pretty complex company we have here in Times with all the new facilities that we've opened. People ask me what it's like to work at Times, and I say that we are the smallest big company I've worked for. Integrating our international sites together into one big team has been a very interesting challenge, and that helped a lot because it's a big chunk of what we do operationally within Times. So the bigger piece there around the business development and the sales and the customer side, with Ben Reed, the previous GM, was fantastic in pulling me into a lot of that work from the early days and really prepared me well to transition into this new role.
So back to being like the director of operations, I assume you really got your hands dirty. I know you got your hands dirty and really learned a lot about our global operations. So what's your vision for Times?
Well, I think when you look at Times, this is a company which has been around for a long time within the industry. And I think we've been very focused on our civil and military business. And really over the last couple of years, it's become very clear that we need to expand our presence across the world. And that really has been going on for probably the last 10 plus years with the sites that have been built in the US. And really there, we're able to satisfy all of the US demands and being close to our customers. And I think being able to move our footprint around really gives us a lot of growth, both in expertise, so we're able to pull from the different communities and roles there, but also we're close to our customers, but also scale in a way which is very difficult for our competition to be able to have the volume and the breadth of products that we have currently.
Well, thank you, Adrian. Hope to have you back soon.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
So thank you for watching Real Times. If you liked our episode, please like it, please share, and until next time, stay healthy and be well.